There is a guy I know named Peter who was gifted with a smart meter. He thought, what a wonderful technology that must be. Life will now be so much easier and hassle-free. But at night, just as Peter went to bed, he felt a stinging buzz inside his head. He couldn't sleep, began to sweat, and then to shiver. So he thought perhaps he can get some answers from his smart meter. Meter, meter on the wall, aren't you the smartest and know-it-all? Can you please tell me what to do? My head really hurts, and my body too. But silence was the only answer that he got, and Peter's hopes quickly turned into doubt. Perhaps this meter is not that smart, and all my high-tech dreams now fell apart. So he asked Facebook, Google, and YouTube, and what he found made him feel like a total rube. Only a fool will let this thing into their home. What I'm experiencing is just the tip of a syndrome known as ignorance, which is not a bliss, because that will lead me and all others right to the abyss. So Peter sent his smart meter free and sent a warning to his friends, including me. And so I share this story here with you, in hopes that you as well will know what is true. Pay it forward, educate and share. Don't be fooled by such a snare. The reason smart meters are called this way, because you've got to be plain stupid if you let them come your way.